Check it out, check it, check it out, check it, check it, check it out, check it.
Hey, Greg and the CE, call me hip hop junkie. Straight to your dome piece like Brass Monkey. All I wanna know, do you wanna get funky? CNC beats be kick.
Hey everyone, it's me, Chloe Bray Kaliwag, the cutest, the yummiest of them all. Whoa. Today, I'm going to introduce myself to you guys. I will make an introductory video of myself. So, let's start. Let us start this video with my full name. I'm Chloe Bray Ballesta Kaliwag. And I am 17 years old. I am born in July 9, 2008. So, I will be turning 18 next July 9, yeah. And I list some of the things that I need to say here in this video for me to remember the things that I need to say. Now let us go with the basic infos of my life. I am a grade 12 STEM student. I will be graduating next month. Yeah, March. Hopefully, kung makapag-graduate ba tayo. I'm currently taking science, technology, engineering, and mathematics because I am planning to enter medical field on college, which is the coming months kasi college na ako eh. I will be taking nursing as my pre-med because I wanted to be a doctor in the future. So let us start with my schools that I entered. When I was in grade school, elementary, I had my elementary in Divine Word College of Bangged. And Divine Word College of Bangged helped me, brought me here today. Of course, kasi nung bata ko, madami din nabigay yung old school ko kasi doon ako namulat kung paano talaga yung setup ng real life situations. It taught me a lot of experiences and of course, shared memories. So, do you know guys, when I was in grade 6, parang required kami magkaroon ng sports kasi intramurals. And I took, syempre problemado na ako noon kasi wala akong alam na sports and I took badminton. First time ko noon lumaban ng badminton. Tapos, nakuha ako sa doubles yun eh, doubles. Tapos yung partner ko, yung classmate ko din yun. I was blue team noon. Ang team namin kasi doon is like blue, red, yellow, white. Tapos, 4 teams kami noon eh. Tapos, I was very proud of myself kasi nung tapos na yung intrams, syempre may awarding. And I'm very proud of myself guys kasi congrats! I got the 4th place. Tapos sayang-saya ako. Oh my god! As a first first player ng badminton na lumaban, naka 4th place. Tapos pag uwi ko dito sa bahay, na-realize ko, oh my god. 4 lang pala na teams yun. 4th place ako. Doon ako natawa. So, that's just a short kwento lang about my elementary. Now, let's go on with my junior high school life.
See where I'm standing right now? I'm here at Abra High School. By the way, this is my current school. Abra High School haven't just taught me academically, but also shared experiences and also core memories.
When I was in grade 7, I transferred in Abra High School. Until up to now, of course, until now. Nung grade 7 ako, Mujol, grade 8 Mujol kasi pandemic noon. Then when face-to-face came back, grade 9 ako, I was like overthinking, in fear, and iniisip ko, paano ako mabubuhay dito? Kasi I was thinking on, where are my old friends? Siyempre, sila yung mga kasama ko. Paano ako mabubuhay dito? Wala akong kasama sa recess. Ganun yung iniisip ko noon. But, as time passed by, Abra High School gave me a lot of experiences. It brought me to my better version of myself, the best version of myself. Because when I was in elementary, I was in fear joining organizations because I'm afraid to fail others noon. So, nung grade 9 ako, of course, I tried joining organizations like iba't ibang organizations noon like yung mga step club, yung mga ganon. Kasi nung nasa elementary ako, dance troupe, yung mga ganon like just being an officer, ginagawa ko lang nung elementary. Tapos nung grade 9 ako, ang dami kong naging task, like I tried being a leader sa groupings, yung mga leader sa organizations, like yung cool subject kasi namin ICT noon. So I was also one of the president ng ICT noon. Tapos syempre parang hands-on experience ako doon noon, how to handle things, kung paano mag-prepare for events, mga ganun. So until now, parang I'm very thankful of Abra High School kasi it just bring out the best version of myself. Hindi lang siya nagbigay or nag-help para i-gain yung knowledge ko, but also Abra High School gave me the best experiences, hands-on experiences, also the core memories, and yung mga potentials na yung mga bagay na kaya kong gawin pero natatakot ako. Abra High School made me did those things. So I'm very, very thankful of Abra High School. Now let us go on with my hobbies and wants, of course. My hobbies are like very, very simple. I love hanging out with friends. You know, like going out, tapos puro just creating memories. I love creating memories talaga. Tapos I love having new experiences in life outside, hindi lang sa school, pati sa labas. And second, I love listening to music. Fun fact ha, hindi ako magaling kumanta. I don't even know how to play an instrument. Pero I love listening to music. Kasi parang if hear ako ng music, parang nagagaanan yung loob ko. Naiiwasan kong isipin yung mga problema na nakapalibot sa akin. So, I love listening to music. One fun fact din pala, last but not the least, I love coffee. Kasi, do you know guys, kahit bad day ako, once I drink coffee, parang binabago niya lahat ng flow na ang buong araw ko. Parang gumagaan siya, nagiging okay siya. Lalo na dun sa part na iniwan niya ako. Kasi parang, alam mo yun, hindi ka kasi just kidding, nag-open up siya eh. No? Kasi kapag nakaka-drink ako ng coffee, parang nagiging coping mechanism ko yung pag-inom ng kape para gumaan yung loob natin, di ba? So, ayun lang for my hobbies. Next, let us go on with my personality. Siguro ang alam kong personality ko is I'm very curious of things. Like, konting bagay na papansin ko, tas you know, my curiosity, parang there's still the inner child in me. I'm very curious sa lahat. And also, I'm very friendly. Hindi naman yung OA na friendly na random na makakasalubong, makaka-friend ko. Pero, I easily got new friends, get along with new friends, ano na, kapag, for example, my groupings, ganon, tapos, wala pang ilang days, ganon, close na agad, like, friends na agad, I have new friends na naman, ganon. Also, maybe I can say that I'm extrovert, kasi, napapansin ko, I love hanging out with friends, gusto ko makisalamuha sa mga different people. Pero hindi naman yung very, you know, random na people. Pero I'm really an extrovert. Also, napapansin ko kasi, kunwari may mga party, family party, friends party, ganun. I love being there always kasi parang, as I said earlier, I love creating memories, having new experiences in life. So, ayun lang, that's for my hobbies. Next, let us go on with my goals and dreams. Ano mga ba ang goal ko? Ang goal ko is like, I will be a doctor in the future. Kasi bata pa lang talaga ako, gustong gusto ko na maging doktor. Kasi when I was a kid, very sakitin ako. Like, kunting ano lang, magkakasakit, gano'n. So, I wanted to be a doctor kasi there are also some of my family members who are under medical field. And of course, nakikita ko kung paano sila, you know, yung effort nila, yung dedication nila sa medical world na parang it pushes me more and motivate ako to do better para maging doctor ako in the future. Kasi of course, nung lumaki na ako, nakikita ko din yung mga bata na nagkakasakit. It's like, ang sakit sa dibdib na makita na naghihirap yung kid at that young age. Ganun yung naiisip ko eh. That's why I wanted to be a pediatrician. So that's my goal. But of course, ang una natin gawin is magtapos ng pag-aaral natin. Ang first goal natin is to be a nurse. Siyempre mag-nursing muna tayo, then graduate, magbo-board exam to be a registered nurse. Tapos, kapag nakagraduate na tayo, of course, we can aral ulit for being a doctor. So, kapag doctor na ako, maybe I can say na I achieved my goals in life. Kasi gusto ko din magkaroon ng own hospital, clinic, gano'n. So, that's my goals in life, guys. Also, because ganun yung mindset ko siguro because I'm the oldest among us siblings. That means I am the firstborn and of course the first baby of the family. And of course, baby. Ayun na naman. Wala na, ang ropok na naman. Just kidding. So, that's all for my introduction video, guys. My introductory video. I hope marami akong na-share sa inyo. I hope may mga nalaman kayo tungkol sa akin. Again, I am Chloe Bry Ballesta Kaliwag, a grade 12 STEM student, and of course, 17 years old. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Chloe, the cutest, the prettiest, and of course, the yummiest. Bye guys! See you in my next video.